Dingboard tutorial. AI-assisted meme generator. We're going to be walking through the basic functions. Here we have our starting scene. You can drag around, you can download, but they give you a default Pepe with the Dingboard logo that ends up in most of the memes that are created. So in the bottom left, there's a basic text menu with different fonts, sizes, colors, both on the stroke itself and the fill. I'm also recording this separately, so I honestly forget what I did. So I'm going to be guessing as we go along this. And then eventually they're supposed to release an AI feature that allows you to generate images based on prompts as well. Okay, so first up, we're dealing with the segmentation feature, which is that sniper rifle and has a shortcut of S where we can basically just come in and segment off different parts of a picture and or meme and drag them into different images or just separate and uh, basically just flag what part of an image that we want to use. The next is the magical fix, which we'll use an example here where we erase part of the Pepe head and then magical fix to fix his brain back up. So that's pretty nifty if you have a picture that's close, or let's just say you're merging a face. It does really good with the extra details around edges. Next up, we have the depth-wise background remover, which is super useful for pictures with landscapes or with varying depths where you might only care about the central part of the picture or want to port that into a different meme. Next up, we have some basic mirroring functionality as well as a rotation. Nice. A lot of that you could see in basically Paint or any other image generating tools. So just making sure we have those basic features. And on the bottom with the erase or the, I think, magic fix, you can also specify the size of the brush. So next we're showing the split using transparency feature, where if you erase an image, basically cutting it in half, they have a shortcut G where we can basically just create two different images based on where you've erased. Next up, some basic copying. And then I believe next I show you a trend I've been noticing where people pretty much hide the Dingboard logo in the memes they've created here. It's kind of fun Easter egg of figuring out where it's hidden and also an Easter egg for other people that use the tool. And you can do that by, segmenting part of the image, moving it to the back, and then just hiding the initial logo. So from a high level, that's honestly what makes Dingboard so good. It's really quick and easy to use. And honestly, we've been making some really funny stuff lately. So if you want to see anything in particular or have recommendations, go ahead and send them in.